There are 24 main consonant sounds in English. There are a few more that are variations of the ones we already mentioned, but we'll focus only on the main ones. As you saw earlier in the lesson, English consonants are pronounced in the space between the throat and the lips. The parts involved in what we call articulation of sounds are lips, teeth, the tongue, one of the most important parts of speech production, the palate, that is, the upper part of the mouth, the throat, the nose, and the vocal cords, of course. However, there are sounds we can make without engaging the vocal cords. We call these voiceless consonants. All of these voiceless consonants have a voiced pair, except from How do you know if the consonant is voiced or voiceless? Put your hand on your throat, just under the Adam's apple. Say B, and then P. Do you feel the difference? Say Ch and J. Can you feel the vibration on the palm of your hand when you say Z, J, B, M? Well, you should. This is how you know if your pronunciation of voiced consonants is really voiced. In the second lesson, we'll talk in more detail about front consonants. These are B, P, W, F, V, T, D, and S, and Th. In the third lesson, we'll focus on those that we pronounce in the palatal region, in the middle of the mouth. These are R, L, Y, S, Z, Sh, J, Ch, J. And in the last lesson of this level, we'll analyze the back and the nasal consonants. Your task now is to use the Quizlet study set to become familiar with these differences of voiced and voiceless consonants. Then you will record yourself to show that you can pronounce these word pairs differently. And then we'll meet back here to talk briefly about vowels. Enjoy your learning journey!